our YouTube channel. Today, we are going to learn something about Philippine history again. Are you ready? Let's go! Our topic for today is the Kartilya ng Katipunan. What is Kartilya ng Katipunan? The Kartilya ng Katipunan or Primer of the Katipunan is a document written by Emilio Jacinto, the brain of Katipunan. The Kartilya served as a guidebook or manifesto for members of the Katipunan, outlining its principles, objectives, and code of conduct. It was a foundational text that articulated the beliefs and aspirations of the Katipunan and provided moral and ideological guidance to its members. Article 1 of the Kartilya ng Katipunan states that the life that is not consecrated to a lofty and reasonable purpose is a tree without a shade, if not a poisonous weed. This statement from the Kartilya ng Katipunan underlines the importance of living a life with moral and meaningful goals. It implies that a life without such a purpose is like a tree without shade, or worse, a toxic weed. In simple terms, it encourages people to set great goals that are also reasonable and acceptable. Without such goals, life may lack the positive impact and protection that shade gives, making one vulnerable or potentially dangerous to others, similar to a weed. Article 2 of the Kartilya ng Katipunan also states that to do good for personal gain and not for its own sake is not virtue. This suggests that doing good things purely for personal gain, such as praise, power, or money rewards, rather than real concern for others or commitment to moral principles, is not a genuine virtue. The Katipunan's ideology, which aimed to promote the freedom and welfare of the Filipino people, would require members to act with real selflessness, putting the well-being of the community and nation ahead of their personal self-interest. They must try to do good things because they are right and just rather than for personal gain. Here are the other articles of Kartilya ng Katipunan. As the primary governing document which determines the rules of conduct in the Katipunan, properly understanding the Kartilya will thus help in understanding the values, ideals, aspirations, and even the ideology of the organization. That's it for today, everyone. I hope you have learned something. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, get notified, share and like our videos. See you next time!